Ever had a mini heart attack when you can't find the phone app on your iPhone home screen? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us, and fixing it is usually super simple. First things first, let's check the most obvious place, the app library. Swipe all the way to the right on your last home screen page. This is where all your apps are organized automatically now. Look for the search bar at the very top, tap on it. Type phone into the search bar if it's there. Its icon will pop up right below if you see it. Simply tap and hold on the phone app icon, then drag it back to your home screen wherever you like, easy peasy. But what if it's not showing up in the app library either? There are a couple more tricks up our sleeve. Go to your iPhone settings app. It looks like this little gray gear icon. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see General. Tap on General. Inside General, you'll find an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that. Now you'll see another option that says Reset. Go ahead and tap on that one. This will bring up a menu of reset options. We want to choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This will arrange all your apps back to their original factory positions, bringing that essential phone app right back to where it belongs. After you've done that, your phone app should reappear on your home screen, ready for you to make those important calls. If you ever accidentally hide an app or rearrange things a little too much, these steps will get you back on track in no time.